Canada for the armed forces of Ukraine. The media reported that Canada is planning to supply Ukraine with 80,840 CRV-7 rocket engines and 1,300 warheads in the next few months, in addition to the 2,160 CRV-7 rocket engines that had been already delivered to Ukraine. In addition, the Department of National Defence of Canada plans to transfer 970 units of machine guns under the C6 designation and 10,500 9mm pistols, as well as a number of decommissioned armoured vehicles, 29 units of M113 armoured personnel carriers and 64 Coyote Lab infantry fighting vehicles. It is important that Canada is ready to allocate $389 million over the next 5 years to train Ukrainian pilots to use the F-16 aircraft. It can be assumed that contractors from Top Ace's private military company, which owns its own fleet of demilitarized F-16 aircraft, could be involved in such training. In any case, the Royal Canadian Air Force does not have its own F-16s. But it is unlikely that this country will limit itself to simply financing the necessary needs for training of Ukrainian pilots. According to open source data, it is more likely that Ukraine will receive only the engines from the CRV-7 rockets and a limited number of warheads instead of unguided rockets. There is some logic in this, since Canada has previously publicly stated that the CRV-7 unguided rockets have already exhausted their standard service life, so even their transportation process can be dangerous. Accordingly, if the warheads are dismantled and only the engines are left, these rockets could probably be rearmed with new warheads at facilities in Ukraine or other European countries. Canada also plans to transfer other types of weapons to Ukraine. The C6 designation may refer to the localization of the FN MAG general purpose machine